When it comes to maintenance, it's going to be very simple. You always want to make sure these lenses are clear so you can always see the operation of the belts. You will be able to see if that fiber is moving inside there. It's just dirty, murky, stained, cracked, damage. You can't see what's actually happening. You can cause a problem with that fiber. You will not notice until it's too late. So make sure these are clean. Make sure your belts are clean. I typically take this off, pressure wash it, hit it with the air compressor just to dry it out. Make sure your air chamber is clean. Open your valve, shoot some water through it, shoot some air through it so it's clean. Make sure your nozzle is smooth here. It can roll back and forth. Make sure your counting wheel, the wheel that dictates whether the machine works or not, is secure, not loose. Make sure it flows freely, because if it doesn't roll, again, the machine is going to think it's to stop operation. Very, very simple. Always make sure your plugs here are not too wiggly. Make sure they're sturdy. And after that, just be safe.